What's up guys, so in this video I'll show you how to activate an account with Pluto using your Trust Wallet. So make sure you have your BNB balance, at least $42 worth of BNB. Okay, so the activation is only 0.1 BNB, but keep in mind there's a gas fee. Okay, we will see later how much will be deducted from this balance. And then next is get your referral link from your sponsor. All right, make sure that you know the ID number. So ID number is 120. Go to the browser, paste the address that you copied. All right, so you can close this one. Just click on X and click on the three dots. Click on switch EVM network, select BNB Smart Chain. All right, click on connect now. So when this pop up, just type in the upline ID, which is 120. Okay, this is my ID number, and click create account. All right, so you can see that 32.19 BNB plus the gas fee. So it's showing $9.56 worth of BNB. So this is the maximum amount, but don't worry, only $3 worth of BNB for gas fees will be deducted, so we can see it later on. All right, so that's why I told you that you need to have at least $42 worth of BNB on your Trust Wallet. Okay, click on confirm. And there you go. So you've already activated the X2 and X3. All right, so we have non-working income from both of this X2 and X3. So make sure you are activating simultaneously from your income in order for you to have full potential of this project. All right, so that's how you register and activate your account using Trust Wallet.